Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to read or see WhatsApp deleted messages by sender. So how to do this? Let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all I open two WhatsApp in different mobile phones. So first of all I open this WhatsApp and send a message. Simply click on it and select it and type and send. Okay guys, now you can see that a message is received. When I click it, okay, I read the message and when I delete this, okay, now you can see that a message is appear. This message was deleted, and if you are not read, then if sender deleted, so how to read these messages? So going to your Google Play Store, and in the Play Store type a notification history. Okay, now type a notification history log. Okay guys, now just open it, and after install in your Android mobile phone. So it's required a few minutes to install it. It's just a 3.72 MB file, and downloading speed according to your connection. So I just wait it for a few seconds. Okay, after downloading is that install in your Android mobile phone. Okay, after installing that, simply click on a open button and click on agree the term and conditions, and click on okay, click on it, go to back and give permission to access your to WhatsApp notifications. So click on allow button, and after that go back, click on a continue button. Okay, after is that, go back, install in this it's in your Android mobile phone. So I open a notification section, so I send once again a message. Okay, now you can see that I have received a message. So after reading, when I delete this message by sender, now delete for everyone. Okay guys, now after that, when I open a WhatsApp, now you can see that second message already deleted. So how to read this? Go to your back and open a notification history log and open it. Click on advanced history. Now after that, you can see that WhatsApp option is available. When you open it, now you can see that a message and number is appear, and your message is saved in this application. So this is a way to read deleted messages by sender. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.